Here market price of an article is 80 rupees and it is sold, that is, this is MP, this is SP. Then rate of discount. It is very easy sum. We know that discount means MP minus SP. So 80 minus 76 is 4 rupees. Now the discount percent is always calculated on MP. This is the formula. Okay. Discount by market price into 100. Discount how much? 4 rupees. Okay. And market price how much? 80 rupees. 4 by 80 into 100. 0, 0 cancelled. 4 ones, 4 twos. 2 ones, 2 fives. So what is the percentage? 5% rate of discount. Is x cube minus 144x is same as. First take out the x from this equation. X, if we taken out, in x cube means how many x's are there? 3 x's are there. X into x into x. X into x into x. 1 x we taken out. So how many x's will left over? 2. X into x means what? X square. Okay. Minus 144x means what? 144 into x. Here we taken out the x as a common term. So now what left over here? 144. We know very well 144 is a perfect square of 12. So x square minus 12 square. It looks like a square minus b square. So x square minus 12 square can be written as x minus 12, x plus 12. So the correct option is option C. xy minus yz is same as. Here also we should think that if we take two terms as one set and the other two terms as one set. In these two terms we can take out x. Then what left over? X minus z. Here in these two terms we can take out y. So see, first in the first set I am taking out x in common. X square, if we take out 1x, what left over? 1x will be there. Minus, in this term if we take out x, what left over? Z. Now the other set. Here plus is there, so I have written plus. In these two terms what is in common? Y. So y. Here if we taken out y, what left over? X minus, and this y also taken out. What left over? Z. So here x minus z is common in the two terms. Here this is one term, this is one term. In these two terms what is in common? X minus z, x minus z. So x minus z now we are taking out. Now what left over? X minus z is taken out. What left over? X plus y. So check the options. X minus z, x plus y. See, this option is correct. Cubed root minus 192 by 81. First of all, it's a cubed root. So we need to check whether the given numbers are perfect cubes or not. 192, not a perfect cube. 81, it is not a perfect cube. So immediately we come to know that we need to cancel these two terms. Once check these digits, 1 plus 9 plus 2, 12, which can be divisible by 3 by the divisibility test. And 81, we know that 8 plus 1, 9, also a multiple of 3, so we can cut it by 3. So 3 how much? 3 2 is 6 and 2 121, 3 2 27s, and 3 6 are 18 and 1 left over, 1 2 3 4 is 12. So 64 by 27. Now we come to know that 64 is a perfect square, a cube of 4, and 27 is a perfect cube of 3. And minus means minus will come for the cubes. So the correct option is option B. And the next question, if 6 power x minus 4 equal to 1, whenever the x is in the powers, we should go for the rule bases are equal, power should be equal. Here what is the base? 6. So 1 can be written as 6 power 0. Then our equation is 6 power x minus 4 equal to 6 power 0. If the same question is like with other base 2 power x plus 2 equal to 1, then the same 1 can be written as 2 power 0, because the bases should be same. Then only we can apply the formula, apply the rule that bases equal, power should be equal. So here 2 means base, you have to write 1 as 2 power 0. If this is 3 means you have to write 3 power 0. If this is 13 means you have to write 13 power 0, like that. Anyways, here bases are equal, power should be equal, x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 4. So option C is correct. Now x is inversely proportional to y. Then we come to know that xy equal to constant. Here 4 6 anyway, or we can use x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. x1 means 4 into 6 x1 y1 and 3 into we don't know y2. So here directly you can cancel 3 ones, 3 twos. So what left over? 2 into 4, 8 is the answer. Option A. Here 8th question. The number to be added to polynomial x square minus y 5x plus 4, so that x minus 2 is a factor of the resulting polynomial. For this type of questions, first you need to substitute the value of x in this expression. First x minus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to, if minus 2 goes right hand side, it will become plus 2. So you have to substitute 2 in this expression. X square means 2 square minus 5x means 5 into 2 plus 4. 2 square means 4 minus 5 2 is 10 plus 4 minus 10, 4 plus 4 8 means minus 2. So it is the remainder of this division. So here we need to add a number to be the factor. If x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial, then the remainder should be 0. When minus 2 becomes 0, if we add plus 2. So the correct option is C. X minus 2 is a factor of a polynomial means the remainder should be 0. So we need to make the remainder 0. For that, what we need to add, in that way we should think. n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equal to 21. Here in the 3 terms n is in the common. So first, then what left over here? 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. What is the LCM for 2, 4, 6? Is a 12. So 2 6s, 6 ones 6 minus 4 3s 3 3s 9, 6 2s 2 5s 10. So here 16 minus 9 7. So n into 7 by 12 equal to 21. Here 7 by 12 fraction goes to right hand side, it becomes 12 by 7, 7 ones 7 3s. So 3 12s are 36 is the n value. So option C. In the given figure, PQ parallel to RS. This is the line PQ. This is the line RS. These two are parallel and L is the transversal. Then the value of X. Here very clear. These two are alternate interior angles. So as per transversal rules, alternate interior angles are equal. So you should make them equal. 2x plus 50 is equal to 3x plus 20. 2x, 3x this side plus 3x becomes minus 3x. Here 20 is there in the right hand side. 50 moves to right hand side. 50 plus 50 becomes minus 50. So 2x minus 3x minus x. 20 minus 50 minus 30. Minus both sides cancel. So x equal to 30 degrees. Option B is correct. Sum L parallel to M parallel to N. This is the L line. This is the M line. This is the n line. The value of x minus y we need to find. Here first you see these two lines only, L, M. For this AB is the transversal. So for this angle and this angle, these two are same side of the transversal and interior. So these two angles are co-interior angles. The sum of co-interior angles is 180. So x plus 105 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So x equal to how much? Very easy, 180 minus 105 degrees. The answer is 10 minus 5, 5, 75 degrees. This is x. Now check M and N lines. For this BC is the transversal. Then this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles. Just now we discussed the above bit. These alternate interior angles are equal. So very clearly y equal to 55 degrees. Now the question is actually what is x minus 5. So 75 minus 55 is 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 5 2. So 20 degrees. Of x in the given figure is, here this is a polygon, here all exterior angles are given. This is exterior, this is exterior. Here exterior angle not given, but this here this angle and then this angle are linear pair. If this is 90, this is also 90 because the linear pair is 180. And this is exterior angle, this is exterior angle. We know that in a polygon the sum of exterior angles is, for any polygon, 360 degrees. So add these all angles and subtract from 360 to get the x. So 75 plus 75 plus 70 plus 55 plus 90. 5 plus 5, 10. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 10, 24 plus 5, 29. So 360 minus 297. So 70 degrees is the correct option. Of the following statements is not true. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Yes, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. We know that this is correct. And diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Here, not true is given. Diagonals of rhombus are equal. This is wrong. In a diagonal, diagonals are different. In a rhombus, diagonals are different. That's why we know that the area of rhombus is half D1 and D2. D1 is different, D2 is different. So this is wrong. Each square is a rhombus. This is correct. So not true means option C is correct. So here two cubes have their volumes in the ratio 1:27. First of all, we should know cube volume formula. Cube volume formula is A cube. Okay. So the ratio of their surface area is, first of all we should know this is A1 cube equal to 1, then A1 equal to 1, and A2 cube equal to 27, A2 equal to 3. How? 1 cube is 1. So both sides cube cancel and A1 becomes 1. This will be the side of the particular cube. 27 can be written as 3 cube. Then cubes are cancelled. Then A2 equal to 3. This is the other cube side. Now surface area formula. Cube surface area is, here surface area only given, means we can go for 6a square. For first one 6a1 square, second one 6a2 square. 6 cancel. A1 square means 1 square, A2 square means 3 square. 1:9. So the correct option is option 9. Sorry, the correct option is the option B. See here we are taking the order 1:27, so the answer should be 1:9. If we take 27:1, then the answer will be 9:1. We should take care of the order. Number of coins each of radius 0.75 centimeters and thickness 0.2 centimeters to be melted to make a right circular cylinder of height 8 centimeters and base radius 3 centimeters. coin is in the shape of cylinder, so one on the other, so then it becomes, it is a cylinder. So each coin measurement is small r equal to 0.75, small h equal to the thickness, only the height. For example, this is a coin, small coin. This thickness is the height of the coin. So thickness we can take as a height. And these small coins are melted and form a big right circular cylinder. So further the radius is capital R, we can take 3, and h equal to 8 centimeters. The number of, whenever the question comes with the number of, even for 5 marks also, bigger one volume by smaller one volume. Here volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. So bigger volume is pi, r means 3 square, h means 8, by smaller one means coin, pi square means 75 by 100. 75 by 100 means 25 3s are 25 4s are. So here 3 square by 4 square into 2 by 10. 2 1s are 2 5s are 5. 3 square cancelled. So denominator is numerator. So numerator 8 into 4 square into 5. 8 5s are 40. 40 into 4 square 16. 16 4s are 64 and 0. 640 cubes will come. The number of times a particular observation occurs is called, it is a very direct question, that is frequency. Option B is correct. 8 cards are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 respectively. They are kept in a box and mixed thoroughly. One card is chosen at random. The probability of getting a composite number. So select a composite number here. 4 is a composite number. 6 is a composite number. 8 is a composite number. So out of 8 options, your favorable outcomes are 3. 3 by 8 is the probability. Very easy. Area of trapezium is 180 centimeter square and its parallel sides are of length 17 and 23. The height of the trapezium. We know that area of half h into a plus b. It is equal to 180. 180 means half h into 17. Parallel sides, if those are non-parallel sides, we cannot substitute in the place of a and b. Parallel sides means we can substitute. H equal to 180 into 2 by 17 plus, this 2 is in denominator, if it go that side, into 2. 17 plus 23, 30 plus 10, 40. This 40 will be in the denominator. 0, 0 cancelled. 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 9s. So the height is 9 centimeters. Here 1 by 2 whole power 6 whole power 6 is the reciprocal of, first of all, 1 by 2 whole power 6. 6 into 6 means 36, because a power m whole power n means a power mn. And 1 by 2 reciprocal means 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. 2 power 36 is the correct. So this is correct option. X power minus m by x power minus n minus m minus of minus n we can write. We cannot common like this. So this is wrong. So assertion is true. Reason is side of a square with area, square units is, see, side of a square formula is a equal to side square. So 9x square, this is looks like 3x whole square minus okay, middle term you leave. 16 can be written as 4x square. 4 square means 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24x. So it can be written as 3x minus 4 whole square. So the side is 3x minus 4. This is correct. area of side A is A square. Both are correct and one is the reason for the other. Option A is the correct one.